Camping for beginners, some tips for success. Camping can be an extremely rewarding and enriching experience and something in which people of all ages can participate. But, to get the most out of any outdoor adventure, a bit of knowledge and planning can be critical. Continue watching the piece that follows, and you will be ready to venture into the wild in no time. If you have little ones camping with you, pack a few art supplies. When you get to your site, show them how to do leaf rubbings. There are always a variety of leaves in all shapes and sizes, so trying them all out will take a while. The kids will be happy and you will have some peace and quiet while you relax and watch them. Get everything you need ready for your meals before you get to your campsite. If you are only camping for a few days, this initial trip to the store should be all that you need to do. Stock up on non-perishable items, too. You don't want you or your family members to be hungry on your trip. Keep a kerchief or bandana close at hand. You can use these as hand towels, clean-up towels, pot holders or anything you need cloth for. It does not take much space in your bag and can save the day in many different situations. Duct tape is a handy tool to carry when you are camping. It can fix so many different things, holes, leaks and just about anything else that arises. The potential for camping trips to become memorable vacations that will be remembered long into the future is great. However, in order to be prepared for anything that may arise along the way, some advanced research can make all the difference. The preceding video should hopefully provide the right start for any aspiring camper. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.